Hello, good day. We are the Group 11 and we are here to report the global citizenship. Now let's talk what is global citizenship. Global citizenship is how we talk about the social, environmental, and economic actions of people and communities who know that every person is a citizen of the world. It is also about how decisions in one part of the planet can affect people living in a different part of it, and about how we all share a common humanity and are of equal worth. It means being open to engaging positively with other identities and cultures and being able to recognize and challenge stereotypes. It is also about how we use and share the Earth's resources fairly and uphold the human rights to all. Next is, what does it mean to be a global citizen? Be a global citizen is someone who is aware and understands the wider world and their place in it. They are citizens of the world. They can take an active role in their community and work with others to make our planet more peacefully, sustainable, and fairer. Pwede natin siyang i-connecta sa kasabihang No Man is an Island. We cannot live alone. Nagsasabi ito na tayo ay bilang isang individual ay parte tayo ng isang mas malaking grupo or kabuuan, no? Global community. Na ang bawat galaw o aksyon natin na mayroong maganda o hindi ka nais-nais na resulta ay nakakaapekto sa isa't isa. For example, we have Ukraine and Russia war, no? Lahat ng karatig bansa ay apektado, di ba? Kapag lumawig o nagpatuloy ito, malamang maging ang mga kaalyadong bansa ng magkabilang panig ay madadamay at lahat ng mga tao sa mga bansang ito ay madadamay, no? Global warming, halimbawa magpatuloy tayo sa pagkakalat ng basura, magsusunog sa kagubatan, pagmimina, paggamit ng dinamita sa pangingisda, hindi lang ikaw o ang pamilya mo, maging ang mga tao sa komunidad ay madadamay kapag binalikan na tayo ng kalikasan, no? As a global citizen, ang layunin lamang nito ay magbigay ng kaalaman sa isang tao na siya ay parte ng mas malawak na mundo at ang kanilang lugar o parte dito. Nauugnay ito sa pagbibigay ng kapangyarihan sa mga kabataan na pagyamanin ng impormasyon, kakayahan at katangiang kailangan nilang makuha sa mundo. Now let's proceed to what is the impact of the global citizenship to the people and the country. It gives us a responsibility, like we need to respect others' perspective and make a common ground solution to an issue. Kailangang may sulong na pag-aralan ng global citizenship upang mapagtanto ng mga kabataan na malaki ang kanilang parte sa pagkakaroon ng tahimik at kaaya-ayang planeta, no? Kung magkakaroon sila ng sapat na kaalaman upang mapagyaman nila ang kanilang kakayahan at maging isang produktibong mamamayan.
For Oxfam, global citizenship education is all about encouraging young people to develop the knowledge, skills, and values they need to engage with the world. And it is all about the belief that we can all make a difference. Education for global citizenship isn't an additional subject. It is a framework for learning, reaching beyond school to the wider community. It can be promoted in class through the existing curriculum or through new initiatives and activities. Beginning in early infancy and continuing through each level of school into maturity, global citizenship education emphasizes lifelong learning to stimulate broad engagement of learners, formal and informal approaches, interventions involving both educational and extracurricular activities, conventional and unorthodox ways are required. Learning themes should be practical, age-appropriate, and relevant to a variety of geographical and Beliefs of global citizenship. Global citizenship helps young people to build their own understanding of world events, think about their values and what's important to them, take learning into the real world, challenge ignorance into tolerance, get involved in their local, national, and global communities, develop an argument and voice their opinions, and see that they have power to act and influence the world around them. What's more, global citizenship inspires and informs teachers and parents too. But above all, it shows young people that they have a voice. The world may be changing fast, but they can make a positive difference and help build a fairer, safer, and more secure world for everyone.
Example of global citizenship. Global citizenship involves first, exploring local and global connections and our views, values, and assumptions. Second, exploring issues of social justice locally and globally. Third, exploring the complexity of global issues and engaging with multiple perspectives. Fourth, applying learning to reveal world issues and contexts. And last, opportunities to make informed, reflective action and be heard. So, sa pakikipag-ugnayan ng iba't ibang bansa, mas mapapadali ang ating buhay dahil sa dami ng opportunity natin na kung saan maraming trabaho, produkto at teknolohiya ang maiaangkat sa tulong nila. And marahil ang global issues ay parte ng ating mga buhay kung kaya't kinakailangan lang ng maayos na pakikipag-usap kung paano mareresolba ang mga problema na ating mararanasan. Mas mapapalawak natin ang ating mga ideya at kakayahan kung tayo ay magtutulungan dahil kung marami ang kikilos, mas dadami din at uunlad ang ating bansa sapagkat ng produkto at iba pa. What is impact of the global citizenship to the people and to the country? It gives us responsibility, like we need to respect others' perspective and make a common ground solution to an issue. The impact of the global citizenship is to make people have a common goal for their respective nations. However, citizens must know how to respect and accept each other's perspective and difference even through we came from different country, because I believe that more we help one another, the more success became possible. Respect is the only thing to maintain peace, so that be open-minded in the terms of understanding problems and global issues happening in the world. We also need communication to better understand the concept that other people share. Through our people and skills, we can be more productive. That is why let us the united to socialize to other and learn to contribute our knowledge and abilities toward success.
Conclusion: global citizens have the capacity to change the world because they interact within and care about the whole world and its entire people, which can lead to peace, an end to world hunger, environmental sustainability, and global quality of life. Recommendation: satisfy your curiosity by getting to know the places and people that fascinate you. Take some courses at your high school or college. Start building a knowledge base of different cultures, ideas, and ways of life. Join international clubs, learn a new language, or make friends with people from other parts of the world who have come to live in your community. Have good cultural exchanges where you